Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get more slots in Roblox Mobile. We'll dive into understanding what slots mean in the context of Roblox games and why managing them is crucial for your experience. You'll learn the primary methods to expand your game's capacity, ensuring more players can join simultaneously. We'll also touch upon optimizing your game for better performance, making sure your increased player count doesn't compromise the fun. Get ready to boost your game's reach. Roblox games typically come with a default maximum player count, often set around 20 concurrent players for standard experiences. This limit is in place to help maintain performance and stability. However, as a game creator, you have the flexibility to adjust this. Understanding this default setting is the first step towards expanding your game's reach. We'll explore where to find these settings and how they impact your game's overall capacity and player experience. To adjust your game's player capacity, navigate to your game on the Roblox Creator dashboard. Once there, select the Configure Experience option. Within this section, you'll find an Access tab. This is where you can locate and modify the maximum player count setting. You can increase this number to your desired amount, up to the platform's overall limits. Remember to save your changes after making any adjustments to ensure they take effect. Increasing your player slots also means you need to optimize your game. Focus on efficient scripting and streamlined models to reduce lag, especially with many players. Utilizing Roblox's streaming-enabled feature can significantly improve performance by loading assets dynamically. Implement smart server-side and client-side processing to handle the increased load. Always test your game thoroughly with higher player counts to identify and resolve any bottlenecks, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.